Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. Today we are doing another perfume unboxing. I have not done a perfume unboxing in a minute. The last one I think was a Jimmy Choo, which is like a couple months ago. But I am restarting my collection. I gave away so many perfumes over the past year, especially like my Arabian ones because yeah, I don't want to get into that, but if you know, you know. So we are starting over in a sense, but this time when I am collecting my perfumes, I'm going to be very intentional with what I get. The meaning behind it, the scent profile, the company, all the things. I'm really gonna go in depth before I buy perfumes with my research. So anyways, without further ado, today we are unboxing Miu Miu's Miutine Perfume. This is my first time having a Miu Miu anything, and I'm excited. So let me show you guys what I got. So we bought it from Sephora. Use that at the pay, okay? Yeah, and this is what the bottle looks like. It is pretty baby blue with black, and I'm excited. Thumbnail. With my purchase, I got a miniature version as well in this cute little box. And then I also got a free Miu Miu mirror, which is black and baby blue. Again, super cute for the fall time. Baby blue is in, so I'm gonna be wearing a lot of baby blue this fall, and I'm excited. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Gorgeous. So here is the bottle. It is so cute, very much giving designer. I love this so much. I think a cute little mini one. Oh, it's just so precious. All right, so Miutine is a gourmet cheekiness rendered in fragrance. It is inspired by a timeless classic of women's perfumery. The Miutine is characterized as sophisticated, bright citrus floral and a rich base of oak moss and patchouli. Basically a really pretty woman fragrance. So let me go ahead and spray it. I did test it in the store, but I honestly forgot because it takes me so long to unbox these, so I don't remember what it smells like. So let's go ahead and spray it. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it on the box because I don't have any more spray. So let's spray. This is so, I'm so glad I'm opening it right now, right before Thanksgiving. This is giving living room Thanksgiving. Okay, so it is definitely bright and citrusy, but it's also very floral as well, just like it says in the notes. That smells really good. So the notes of Miutine are wild strawberry, gardenia, brown sugar, vanilla, patchouli oil, and I love it so much. This is really a good fragrance. It's blended really well. It's not too heavy, it's not too strong, it's not too floral, which is not my vibe. But this one, I love it. Let me go ahead and spray on the skin because you know, paper and skin, two different things. So. This is definitely mature, but not in a like granny way. It's just, it is a really feminine woman fragrance, and I really like this. I'm gonna give this overall, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Like it's missing one thing for me. I don't know what it is, but I really like this, and I think it is worth that price. I like this. It's definitely giving designer fragrance. I love it. I just love the bottle. I really I can't get over the bottle. Like, look at the bottle. I mean, it's not tea. I love the bottle so much. Also, do you guys like my hair? I did post a video about it, so yeah. But yes, I really do like this. I'm gonna give this a real good, strong 9 out of 10. It's almost a 10 out of 10, but it's nothing really stopping it from being a 10 out of 10. Honestly, I could give it a 10 out of 10. It's really good. The sprayer is good. We're gonna see how long it lasts. I think depending on how long it lasts, what you guys will see down here, because I'm gonna wear it throughout the day, that'll determine whether it is a full out 10 out of 10. But for right now, I'm gonna give it a 9. The last point would be for longevity. But I really like this. This is Miutine by Miu Miu, and this is the 3.3 fluid ounce. Again, I got it from Sephora. I will link it down below if you are looking for some gifts to give your friends and family for this holiday season. I definitely recommend this. This is a real pretty woman sophisticated fragrance, and I really like it. It kind of gives me the vibe of the YSL Libre, but this one is definitely sweeter than YSL, and it's gonna look so good next to YSL. I just love it. The bottle is chef's kiss, like it's giving grown woman collection, which is where I am now. I'm in my grown woman era, and this is definitely gonna help me get there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next fragrance video. Again, the link down to this fragrance will be down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you're thinking about getting it, it's definitely worth it. I like it. It's very sweet, it's very sophisticated, and it smells like a grown woman. 9 out of 10. Bye.